Myntri beri pet iaka Community and Rural Development iti modal ringkat ubaya leng kum Myntri sorkar menta kasingilon Plie ka traditional market akasnong lum dat kla Bhoirymbong kabade ka yo kabala mang da ministry katanat tribal affair haka jinglut kabala kot syakasan Klur tingka aba Plie gani ka yo ladan ringkat ru nadu MLA ka umrai ubha daman malamari MDC ka umrai ubha isnai hing ka BDO ka Bhoirymbong siana diplang ka Dr. Talang urang ba asnang ka lum dat khla ubha ST rempe ki officer kinong ilam snang bat kinong song snang ka tay ka than Bhoirymbong kani kayo kade ka way na kayo ka ban ai jing mentoy hadon ruprungut kinong song dukan ka badai ha ka jing paniat da ka dor par snang lum dat khla bat ka thong jong kani kayo ka long ban ai jing mentoy tang ye kinong song dukan bat ka deiru pan kentiu ya ka khai ka pateng jong ki paitbah ka te ka than lai jing kran ru de ki te ki Myntri sorkar bat ki nong mi khman ha ka ba ki la kentu ban sumar ba ya ka te ka yo khnang ba kan long ka jing mentoi pateng la pateng ha ka kam khai bat ru ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kwat ki paitbah ka te ka than
Kajong P Sir Kapersongsit i Bakapunyo Musin Nengi Hado kata-kata Banginyo Bakanero kadai Bangilak melenti Nado menung ilak melenti Nano kan po kata kasingi Banginyo no Ban play, ban penon kam Ya kane kat traditional market Bakadon Hasenda songi kumbagi ibaro Kane kowe kadai Kasing ebok edaw igasnang lugat klai brokoi yagum lo konspeksi brokoi bari gari boy bingi hi brokoi awan na kerman stemro bagane kayo ada mingada plesen menta ada katu kane por makanong ro kayo kagayat pa kagayat nanti banda kawai ni kawai kasni kan yo ro ka best market Sagani ka ribhoy ka than ribhoy ka jongi. Ano yung pigari ka traditional market kali ka yung inflation mentaro. Mimong ra kadai tangjong kani ka tangjong kani ka konspirasi ni ka adero kayo jong ka ribhoy bingihi borok away. Tanga karman siyan mo kani kayo kadai ka tek ka khai pateng. Tabim jong kani ka shrong igabagi ong barang na napidot jaga in warra dan warra ya gaskiya nanti dapat travel industri na gali dah kebenda kejerukan ke gustong kejopi barang yang to kebiak tinggal lek rekan-rekan barang bila kedua yang dikon ke jaka jom kate ke jaka kemudian hangkai po jogi kong teleskop serap nimkong ya pet yang ke jaka bensna ya tadi ke traditional market hadim boleh balai kendu pakai strong beramba strong pakai nukit kam juga strong yung ingidon ke jaka ka bahe do kasnong beli bibsina hangli hapo do ka jaka do kasnong tingo gatali li ke berbahap pala bagin yo bersina ha jaka do kasnong dan kepada ka jingmen toy do kasnong ka jaka konsumsi para kowe I'm just traveling through the gardens of Britain because the beautiful view that this area presents it is mesmerizing, it is unmatching, it is like somebody were in Switzerland and all these things. And not only that, only 1.5 months back we were here with Honorable Chief Minister to inaugurate the block integrated development complex here in Bhoirymbong. And this block is also related to me because his father, Ma Taman Lamar's father, Ma he was a dear friend of mine, and we together fought for new blocks, and that's how I got a new block. Manhattan got this block, Bhoirymbong block. Bahai got this Maupat block. We together fought at that point of time. So your block and my block, age-wise, they are born together. So that's how also I am linked to
this area. And today I'm very happy that I'm standing here in front of you with immense pleasure to mark a significant milestone in the development of this successful completion and inauguration of this traditional market at Bhoirymbong. As Bahak has told that how he has gone and got this program, it is sanctioned by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and the administrative approval was granted on 3rd April 2020, and then tender process was initiated by DRDA Longpo. But the thing is that any major project always encountered in legal complications, so a case has been filed in the Honorable Meghalaya High Court. But whatever the High Court ruling has been given, that has been incorporated, and these legal challenges were met with, and ultimately the tender process was completed, awarding the work to Dhar Construction. Today, Myntri was supposed to come, but he could not come due to some other thing. I would like to thank him also because he took initiative to complete this project as early as possible, though it is completed as per report on 22nd August 2024, but we took some time to inaugurate it because of some other problem. The complex is having around 66 stalls, and all are